Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's choose the option System Update, and here tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and as you can see here we've got some options which are connected with the services or actually auto download. So I highly recommend to keep all of those options turned on. So first of all, auto check updates, because your device will automatically check whether you've got any kind of update pending or not. So highly recommend to keep this option turned on. Auto download, because after checking for the updates, your device will automatically download the update. So I highly recommend to use that also. And also this one, because thanks to it your device will not only check for the updates or download the updates, but also install them at night when the mobile is not in use, usually between 1 and 5 a.m. So highly recommend to use all of those options here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.